Hello, hello, hello. I'm Chris from Group 7, and today we'll learn how to code using the while loop. Here we go. This will be our coding problem for today. Suppose that the tuition for a university is $10,000 this year, and tuition increases 7% every year. In how many years will the tuition be doubled? Then we'll move on to Netbeans and I'll show you how to code it. Here we are on Netbeans. Wait. Let's zoom in a little. There. Let's start. First, we will define all of the given numbers. The first is a double with a variable of tuition and has a value of 10,000. That's going to be our year 0. The second will utilize an int with a variable year and a value of 0. Now, to the while loop. We type in the parentheses that tuition is less than 20,000 so that it knows that it'll stop when it reaches 20,000. Inside the bracket, we'll put in the formula that tuition will be multiplied by 1.7 every year and type in year plus plus in the next line so it knows that it'll stop when the amount is within 20,000.
Because if you won't, when you run it, it'll keep on running and 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 running until the end of time. Okay?
Lastly, outside the bracket, we will type in system.out.println and inside the parentheses, type in code that tuition will be doubled in uncode plus year plus code years uncode. Type in another sout and inside the parentheses, type code that tuition will be uncode plus tuition. Don't forget the colon symbol. And if you do, then we'll run the code. And we got the tuition will be doubled in 11 years. And the tuition will be 21,048 and 519,522,998,362 trillion. That's all for today, and I hope you learned something. Bye!